Hi everybody, this is Robbie here from the Web Shack, and in this tutorial I'm going to take you through how to SEO pages, products, posts, basically anything to do with content to get better results on Google. Okay, so it's a quite amazing tool, so let's jump in. Okay, so I am logged into just e-commerce builder, and what I'm going to do is you won't see any tabs here. It's the widgets for the SEO stuff is on each page. So you can SEO, let's say the about us page, the blog page. You can SEO everything, okay? Because you want each and every page to do well on Google. You want each and every post to do well on Google. Each and every product to do well on Google. So you must just do as much as you can, or do everything that you can on your website. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pages. You can go into products anywhere. It's the same for all of them. Okay, so let's just give an example. Let's say about us. Okay, so I'll just go edit. Okay, so now we've got to think about what for this page, what keyword do you want people to find you on Google with? Okay, so for example, we're a web company, so for a certain page, maybe you want website design to come up on Google, or website to design pricing, or whatever. Okay, so you got to think of a keyword. So I'm in the about us page. I'm going to go down, and then this is the widget here. It's called Yoast SEO. You'll find it on all the pages. Okay, so what you do is you got to say what keyword do you want this page to represent. Okay, so let's say in this case it is about us. Okay, about us is a bad keyword because um, you know no one actually cares. No one's going to type about us in Google. Okay, so just really think about your keyword. Let me just actually just say about or something. Okay, and just put it in. So each page you can SEO for separate keywords. Just remember you can't use the same keyword twice on other pages. Just use one keyword, and then the next page, let's say it's website design, the next page will be web design, next page will be website design, prices, and so on. You're trying to get as many keywords as possible, as best you can on Google. Okay, so in this case, I'm just going to say about. Okay, so before I go carry on with that, so that's about. Then I got readability. Okay, so what it does is you got this kind of medium kind of face, and then you got the sad face, and then you got green, which is a happy face. Okay, so what that means is green obviously means like what it says. That's good. Uh, this yellow one means nah, it's average, and this one means it's not good at all. Okay, so what it does is this tool it gives you suggestions. So it says here you got some good results here already. Your sentence links are great. Paragraph links are not too long. Subheadings, you got subheadings and so on, which is great. So now it says you got two problems here. Okay, it's on moderate, but if you fix these two, maybe you'll get that to green. So for readability. Okay, so nice thing is it's saying that your fresh reading is not good. Okay. What does that mean? Okay, the nice thing is that these are links to give you an idea and explain what it means, what that means. So you transition words. Let's see what that means. You click on it, brings up an article, and there we go. You can read up on my article and so on, and you can figure out how to make that better to better this thing. Okay, so I mean it's quite nice. So this is dynamic. This is coming from Google. So you basically you are in the pound seats. If you get all of these on green, you're going to be you're doing really well when it comes to Google, especially for products. Maybe you're selling products that are something like there's a certain product that you sell well with, but you want to get it on the top of Google. Try get everything green. Okay, so let's take a look at this SEO. Okay, so that's readability SEO. Okay, so now I've got my about. Then I click here on this arrow, and this is now bringing up all the problems for that. Okay, my main score for my SEO for this page is really bad. I mean, it's bad. It's sad face. Reason why is because it's just some demo stuff. It's not a very good page. But now it's telling me my problems. So, for example, like I said, you can click on it to understand what is outbound links and so on. Okay, over here it says um, you only have 31 words on this page. Google basically recommends a minimum of 300. So now you know I've got to add more text to this page. My image alt attributes, click on it if you don't understand. Okay, so it's very amazing. if you get all these green for all of your pages, you're going to be doing really well right through. Okay, so let me just give you one last thing. Meta description, for example, let's say you can click on that to explain what a meta description is. But up here, if I click on this snippet, this is basically what comes up in Google. You know, like everyone knows when you type in Google, this is the, like, let me just get rid of these. Let's say I want website design for all. Okay, that's my heading. Okay, so this here, this at the bottom here, that's moderate. So I need to add more text here. So let's say graphic design, SEO, and maybe Google Ads. Okay, there, now it's green. So now Google's giving you the thumbs up. Okay, slug. You can look and say meta description. This is now the description underneath that. Okay, so you can type one in there. Okay, and then basically, so I've done that. So if I go through this, when I start doing it, they start becoming green, or they become like red, or and so on. Okay, so what you're trying to do is trying to get them all to green. Okay, so that's basically it. And you can do them on basically every page that has content. You can SEO. Okay, happy SEOing. I hope it goes well. If you need help with some SEO, I can help you for a fee. I got our website, Webshack, to the top of Google for keywords such as website design, e-commerce, web design, and stuff like that. So, and they're quite competitive. So I know what I'm doing. So give me a call if you want me to help you with that. But this was a good start. This will really help you get your website, especially if you're a small business. You can really do it on your own. Thanks very much for watching.